Welcome to my third video about keyword research with ChatGPT. After we analyze these keywords in keyword intent, the 100 RPE key limit is reached, as it seemed. But if we just take this keyword, for example, with many searches and high competition, we can go to ChatGPT and ask for long-tail keywords containing this keyword, and ask to give us 30 keywords we can analyze and check if they match our criteria. So this is another option to expand the keyword list. So we can go real deep, as you see. So this is the last video about keyword research with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. In the next video I will show you how to use these keywords, these extra long keywords, to hopefully drive traffic to our site. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.